guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avatar Jdavinci here. Today I'll be kickstarting my Halloween videos with an avatar look, perfect for beginners, anyone actually in the Halloween spirit. I hope you enjoy this video and let's start. Oh Jesus, I almost failed. I'm gonna try to keep it very beginner friendly. I'm gonna use the products that I have here around me. This first thing that I'm gonna use is this snazaroo, blue snazaroo. I don't know if you're supposed to use this with water. I'm gonna attempt to use it with water today. So yeah, we're gonna start off with this blue snazaroo paint. I do have other color blues that I'm gonna use. I have eyeshadows that I will be using. I feel like at the end of the day, the makeup look is gonna come out perfect. You got this. Halloween is around the corner and we're gonna be cool. And the perfect thing about special effect that you can really turn yourself into whoever. You don't have to look identical to whatever you're trying to be. You could be that times yourself. This is you guys' first time ever doing Halloween looks. How are you feeling? You just like, screw it, I'm gonna just go as myself at this point? I feel you, me too. Same. Let me know in the comment sections who you guys want to see me transform into next. Did you guys check out my playlist of cool Halloween ideas? Because last year, you guys, I was going ham with the Halloween looks, like hell. So once you look halfway crazy like me, you could really go on ahead and paint your whole body if you had that kind of time. You know, now we're gonna do our little tiny eyebrows. They can be as fleeky as you want them, like, so get the blackest shades you have. I'm using black. I wish I had a black eyeliner, but I don't have any black eyeliner, so I'm not gonna be using black eyeliner in this tutorial. But right now I'm just making my brows. These can be as fleeky as you want them. They don't have to be fleeky at all if you don't want them like that, but this is up to you. So we're gonna be snatched. You see these brows? I can't help but to snatch brows, clearly. We're gonna add a bit of shadow to our eyes. You guys see where we're putting it? I'm gonna just bring that blue shade back and forth. If you don't have a blue, you could just use a black. Your current stage looks like this. Understand that everything's gonna come together. This right here is just helping us get that little, you know how their eyes kind of looked yellow and interesting? It's gonna give us that vibe. Just to kind of shade them out before we go in and draw our lines, okay? So I've just been adding a bit of the dark blue to contour my face, but I just want it to be a better blend. So for our line, we're going to mix colors like black, dark blue, that light blue. Right now, this is like a blue. All right, so you guys see what I've been doing. I'm just currently going in and making the top half thicker than the bottom half consistent. So what you do to this side, you do this side, and then we're gonna do it to the side of our face too. I'm gonna go on top of this blue with this blue sapphire out of the Kat Von D. Just at the top so we can add another level of, so it's like a blue shimmer. Now I'm gonna just take my black and give me like a little winged liner. Now we're gonna add white dots like on our forehead and stuff. We're gonna put the dots all over our face. So I'm making these more vibrant because you could not see them. So I'm kind of making these look like they're swirling around the little, like I'm going like da 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 da, like making them swirl around each other. Okay, so for now this is cool. I need to take some pink blush. We're gonna take this light pink shade here. So to that same pink shade, we're gonna just dust it on our cheek. So we're gonna go back in with that pinky shade that we saw. I'm gonna go put on some false lashes at the top, then I'm gonna be back and show you guys what's gonna happen next. But I'm currently just putting that same pink that I had on my nose, on my lips. For our ears, well, we're gonna attempt to make some ears. This is from a paper towel. We're gonna just cut it in half so we can have two. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I wanna I'm gonna like kind of fold it. I don't know, we're gonna figure this out. But I'm right now just trying to make a little hole for my ear. You know, like a place where my ear will be able to chill. If we have it like that, then we're gonna try to figure this out. Would it be like this? Will this work? Let's see. Because our long hair should cover, but we need this more cut. Like, I'm gonna attempt. Let's try to do the second. We could also take these little pieces that we made. This might be better. So this is more of a vibe. So we could just stick a bobby pin in here and use this as an ear. This one looks way cooler actually. Or you could just put this little ear piece in. And then, yeah, so this one actually is more of a vibe. I just literally, cut a hole out like that. So I'm gonna take some more snazaroo paint because that's all I have. Paint these blue. Okay, so we got us a black wig. Little nip, we'll put the bobby pin through it. You guys can see, easy breezy, just like that. And we'll just low-key put it into our braid. Let's go put on the second one, and then I'm gonna flatten my hair. I'm gonna just put some bobby pins on the side here so it's flat. Then I'll be back with the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know in the comment sections what you guys want to see this Halloween. And don't forget to smile all month. Bye.